Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris, aka the IT guy, back with another video. And today I'm going to show you how to install PostgreSQL on Windows 10, and I'm going to guide you through the processes that you can use to install this one, and I hope you will have the same results. Enough of talking, go ahead and open your browser, your favorite browser. In this case I'm using Chrome, and go ahead and type PostgreSQL like this one and press enter. And after putting this search keyword on the Google, you can see that there will be the first website that is from postgresql.org, and this is now where we acquired the setup to install. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here, and where I will be on the website, the first thing that I will see here is now the download button. And you can see now the latest release is 14.1 at the time of making this video. The versions may vary accordingly, so don't get it twisted when you see that you have the different version from mine. The processes and the installation guides are the same. All right, so go ahead and click on download, and once you click on download, there will be a lot of distributions. You can see that there is for Linux, for macOS, for Windows, for BSD, and for Solaris. But in this case, as we are going to install on Windows, we will go ahead and choose the Windows installer as well as to have this. And where we will be on here, we will see that the installer for now the Windows can be downloaded using this link. I can go ahead and click on here, and once I click, I will wait for a couple of seconds for the download to start, and it will also bring back this package that can be installed, and you will choose among this one. You can see that it returned our Linux again, and the macOS and the Windows for 64 bits and for 32 bits. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on this button, and I hope the download will start. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start download, and the setup is not that heavy. The download speed may depend upon your network speed and the speed of your computer, and you have to wait until this is now done, and I'm going to speed up so as to never waste your time. I will come back when this is ready, and we will continue with the installation processes. Alright, good. And once the setup is now completed downloading, I'm going to go ahead and place on open to open the setup, and I'm going to minimize this Chrome. We no longer need it for this time, and we will wait until the setup now starts. And as I'm talking, it is now starting, and so let's give it a short time to start. Alright, and once now the installation wizard starts, we are going to go ahead and place on next. And this now will be the installation directory where it will be installed, and in this case it will be on C, program files, PostgreSQL, and 14, which is now the current version. And I'm going to go ahead and click on next, and when you reach here, you will see that there will be a lot of components on here. There will be the PostgreSQL server, and there will be the pgadmin4, the stack breeder, and the command line tools. I'm going to leave them all checked. If you want to check or uncheck some, you can do it from here, but I want to let them all checked. All right, so go ahead and press on next. And also this is where it will store our data. It will be on this folder that we press in, and also the data directory in front of it. Okay, so go ahead and press on next, and it will ask you to set the password. In this case, let me go ahead and set some password here. All right, and you'd have to repeat it to make sure that you are not messing up things, and go ahead and press next, and it will ask you for the port to listen on. If you have this port occupied, you can go ahead and choose another port, but to leave it not giving you errors, I want to leave the default one because it detected it as a free port that is not currently used by another application. So I'm going to go ahead and press next, and on here we press next again, and I will press next and press next, and I have to wait until this is now done. Alright, and once it reaches here, it will ask you if you want to configure the stack breeder. Of course, let's go ahead and configure this one, and I will go and leave it checked, and I will click on finish, and automatically it will open the stack breeder. And this is now the version 4 that is available for the time of making this video. And here on the drop down there will be for the remote server, or the server that we created for the PostgreSQL. I'm going to go ahead and choose this and press next, and you have to download the application list, and to show you all the applications that you can install if you want to use them. For example, I show you the add-ons, database drivers, the database server, the registration required, the entire product, the spreadsheet extension, the web development, and all others. To make this video straightforward to the PostgreSQL, I'm not going to install any of this, so I'm going to go ahead and click on back and click on cancel, and I will click on yes. After that, I can go on my start menu, and I will search for the pgadmin, and I hope it will be down here for the P. Let's see, PostgreSQL, and pgadmin 4 is here. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Alright, and once now it's successfully opened, it will ask you to set the master password, and I'm going to go ahead and put the password in here and press OK. After doing that, it will show you this dashboard where you can search for the servers, and I'm going to go ahead and put the password that I pre-created, and it's now like this. And to show you all these, you see there will be databases, and you can see there will be all of these. You can see there will be the schemas, there will be other things on here, and there will be the tab for the SQL where you can go ahead and write some statements on here. And so let's try this out. Can go ahead and see on how to do this. And this is now simply how you can install the PostgreSQL on Windows 10. I hope guys you find this video very helpful and interesting. Let me know in the comments if you met with any errors or any warnings or any problem that you got while you are installing this one. And this marks the end of this video. I hope guys you are going to give me thumbs up, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time and you found that it needs a sub, go ahead and subscribe. And from now on till next time, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.